Hey guys, what it is, what's up? Coming at you fresh faced. I'm so sorry there's like construction going on outside. This is probably one of my like most requested or like very frequently requested videos, and that's to do a get ready with me, like how I do my makeup, hair, pick my fit. So that's what I'm gonna show y'all today. Shout out to Celie hair for sponsoring this video. Okay y'all, so this is the wig. This is how it came in. It's nice cute pink packaging. So when you open it, ooh, it has this nice bag to store the wig in. It says Celie hair, super cute. Here's all their like social media information, and then what else they got in here? Threw in some wig caps for your girl, and then threw in this nice little compact mirror. It's heavy as fuck. But yeah, it just says Celie on there as well. Super cute. This is how the wig first comes. This is 12-inch bob unit, human hair, lace front wig. I'm about to dye it. I'm not going to show you guys the process of dyeing it because, to be honest, I don't even know what I'm doing. But I am going to dye it, and you guys are going to see once it's finished and then how I install it. I'm right into the makeup. I use the Scandinavia priming spray, and I just spray that all over my face. And I love sprays more than anything else because I feel like they don't clog my pores. So then I take the Cabral pomade, and it is in shade 4, which is like the brown shade. And then I just fill in my eyebrows. I've been really into thin eyebrows lately. Like I used to love the fat brow, but not anymore. And then I carve them out with the L'Oreal True Match concealer, and I'm in the color light medium, but it's like super light, so it works as like a brow bone highlight. And then yeah, I just carve them out, get the shape that I like. For my summer foundation shade, I use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in Classic Tan. And this just gives like a really flawless finish, and it's not too heavy on the skin. So I love this for the summertime, and I think it's a pretty good match for my tan. I literally just put this on with my fingers and then just blend it out afterward. And it comes out pretty fucking smooth, not even gonna lie. Oh, also, I use a dry beauty blender. Like, I don't wet my beauty blender. And that's just what's been working for me lately. I use the Tarte Shape Tape in shade medium just to like really brighten up under my eyes and just all the high points of my face. I put it on my nose, I put it on top of my eyelids and on my chin, and then just blend it out with that same dry beauty blender. And guys, this concealer is the bomb. I refuse to use anything else. I've been using this for at least 3 years now, or like since it first dropped. I don't even know, but this shit is bomb. Now to set all that concealer, I use the Airspun loose powder, and I mix it with the Sacha Buttercup powder. And the reason I do that is to create a more neutral base. I don't want it to be too yellow or too white underneath my eyes, and I feel like that creates the perfect color for my skin tone. So I just put that on all the places that I applied concealer, and you want to set those eyelids, girl, because you know they be creasing, especially in the summertime when you're hot and greasy. You don't want that. And then I take the L'Oreal True Match pressed powder in the color Warm 6, and it's the perfect color for my summertime tan, and I put that all over my face to create a more solid base and to take some of the whiteness off of my highlight. And for contour, I just take a NYX pressed bronzer and put that right in between my cheekbones and on my jawline and on my forehead as well. I just have it on a tiny highlighting brush. I have really straight lashes naturally, so I have to curl them up to the gods and then put waterproof mascara on top of them hoes, or else they will keep falling throughout the day, and you don't want that because that's a dead giveaway. I love just wearing falsies in the summertime. I've never been a fan of eyeshadow or nothing like that, so I just like to keep it neutral, keep it cute. For everyone always asking, these are the lashes I use. They're called the Iconic Collection, I guess, and I get them in style 20. To set my foundation, I use the MAC Fix Plus fluid, and I just spray a good amount all over my face. And for lips, just some lip gloss for the summertime. The makeup is finished, so now I'm just gonna move on to the hair portion, which is gonna be the wig. I put the braids in, but I'm gonna take the braids out. Hopefully it leaves some waves or like some texture. I don't know. Still wet. I literally just dyed it yesterday. It like didn't pick up the lavender that much, so it's like the majority of the wig is still blonde with just touches of lavender, which I think is so cute and it's about to look poppin' with my new tan. So let's get into this wig install. Alright guys, so you know the drill. It's time to braid our hair up and pin it back. You want to get it as flat as possible and just bobby pin it up to get it, you know, laid as much as you can. If you like me and your hair is really thick, this part is probably the hardest part, and trying to get your wig to lay flat, but it's possible. Anything is possible. So I'm just struggling here, trying to get these fat ass braids to stick to my head. So then you're going to put the wig cap on and just make sure your edges are tucked away. You want to remove all the makeup off your forehead where the wig is going to lay at. So I just use Astringent to wipe my makeup off. And then I always use the Got To Be Ultra Glued to stick my wig down to my forehead or to lay the lace down. And you're going to start off with one coat. And then take your blow dryer and make sure it's on a cool setting. That's the only way the glue is going to dry. If it's on a warm setting, that shit is going to stay wet. And then you're going to go in with your second coat and just repeat the same steps. Put a layer of the glue and smooth it down. I always use my rat tail comb to just smooth it down. You don't want it to be all clumpy and gross. And then just once again hit it with the blow dryer on a cool setting. Alright y'all, so this is how the wig is looking. She cute. Alright, now it's time to put this baby on. So you want to put the back clips on first. Make sure it's not going nowhere. Make sure it is firmly in place. And then put the front clips in. And by now the glue on your forehead should be tacky. This wig did come with baby hair, so the baby hairs was sticking all up on the glue and stuff. But yeah, you just gotta be mindful of that and make sure it's only the lace touching the glue. And try to lay it down. Make sure it's not too frontward. Make sure it's like right on your hairline, like it's just covering your hairline. You don't want your wig to be too low because that's a dead giveaway. I usually just hold it down in place to make sure the glue is really dry, and then it's time to do the baby hairs. This wig did come with baby hairs, and I believe it was pre-plucked as well. I never pluck my wigs. I don't know how to do that, so pfft. And I just slick it down with some of that Got To Be Glued. I just want to give like some texture to the hair, so I'm just gonna like wand it a little bit. I think this is like a straight wig, but we don't want it to be straight. We want it to be like wavy. Try to like just put a little texture in it. But the color is so cute. Please don't mind my install. I know a bunch of y'all are gonna come for me and be like, that's not how you install it. You did that shit trash as fuck. And it's like, I know. And I don't care. So now moving on to the exciting part, the fit. I never had purple hair. I never had my hair this light, period. So I don't know what to wear. Alright y'all, so here's the romper. But she's cute or whatever. Make the booty look poppin'. I actually wore this when I was in Miami. It's cute with the hair too. I just got these the other day. Cement 4s. I had these back in the day, like when they first like re-released. But they didn't fit me. They were too small. So then I ended up selling them, and then I copped this pair which fits me perfectly. I might wear these. I don't know. I literally wore the same fit in Miami if you saw like my Miami vlog, but I didn't get no flicks in it, so you know I'm gonna have to repeat that. And I didn't have purple hair with it, so I'm gonna definitely have to repeat that. Here's the finished lookaroony doony. Let me like lower y'all, hold up. All right, so here's the fit. Cute little romper. This is a Fashion Nova romper. And then I got my cement 4s on, and I threw on my new Juicy bag that I just thrifted recently because it has like the gray and the silvers going on, so I just thought it went perfectly. And then of course I threw these bad boys on. These, where did I get these? I feel like I got these like Walmart or something. But yeah, don't sleep on Walmart. Alright y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to step out. I think I'm gonna go thrifting today, or I might just get food with my sister. I don't know yet, but I feel cute, so I want to take flicks. So hopefully I get cute flicks for this thumbnail and for my gram. And if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, please do. I'll put my Instagram right on the screen here. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Big shout out to Celie hair for this beautiful wig, for this beautiful bob unit. It is a human hair wig, y'all, so all links for the hair will be down in the description. All the links, all the details, everything y'all need to know in the description. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.